Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to lubricate your garage door basically. So this is one of the most affordable and the best option that is available. So you can see it is Blaster garage door lubricant, which is basically made up of silicone lubricant. So this is the affordable option that is available in the market. And as you can see in the garage door, there are 3 points where you need to apply this. First thing is the hinges that are available on the door. You basically need to apply at the joints. So that is the first point. The second point is the hinges that you see over to the rollers, and these rollers or the wheels are made up of nylon, so they don't actually require the lubricant. And the second, on the main roller, so if you see, this is the main roller, but you need to apply the lubricant on the top of this roller so that the lubricant has chance to go in, and when you move the door up and down, it will basically lubricate itself. So that is the second position. And the third position is the hinges of the garage door motor. So over here, and if you see this railing on top of it, you need to basically apply. So those are the three locations where you need to lubricate. You need to apply it a little bit till the point you can see